A bustling city. A police car is patrolling the street.
Huh?
At the end of the street stands an old, abandoned hospital with many cracks. The police car stopped and looked toward the old hospital. He took out a pen and paper and began drawing. The sketch is finished. Excavator, dump truck, mixer, and Bombardino crocodile are standing in the yard.
Hello.
He handed the drawing to the excavator. The vehicles looked at Excavator, discussing among themselves. The vehicles nodded. A police car is patrolling the city. The vehicles look at the excavator and discuss. Bombardino crocodile takes out a bomb, and the bomb falls down. The building explodes.
Good job.
The clamshell and dump truck nod. Move towards the rubble. Clamshell releases its grab. The excavator stands watching and nods.
Okay.
Two vehicles move closer to the plot of land and start digging. A vacant area is revealed. The iron bars are slowly placed into the correct positions. Sand, cement, and water are gradually poured into the mixing room. The mixing drum rotates steadily and backs up to the building frame. The concrete flows out. The new hospital is completed. The farm is peaceful under the sun. Excavator is fishing by the canal. Harvester digs for worms nearby. A small boat sails along the canal. The boat passes by their view. The wooden bridge ahead looks old and weak. Crack. The boat hits the bridge.
Oh
Boom. The bridge collapses, and the boat flips.
Huh?
Harvester is shot.
Hey, look over here!
Excavator turns to look. The bridge is down, and the boat is stuck.
Oh my God!
Excavator runs over in panic. Harvester follows behind. Excavator approaches the capsized boat, looking around carefully.
Aha.
Tractor is bringing farm goods from the other side.
Ew.
Excavator quickly signals to stop.
Ew.
Tractor brakes hard, leaving long skid marks. Tractor smiles at
Hello. Hello.
Excavator nods and thinks for a moment. Then Excavator sketches a bridge plan.
Yes.
He makes a call to his friends. A list of building materials pops out. Dump truck, mixer truck, and crane truck
Hello.
arrive.
Hi. Let me
Excavator
help you.
signals crane
Okay.
truck to lift the boat first. crane truck hooks the boat and lifts it from the water. He gently rotates and places it on the ground. A toolbox opens. A small hammer is taken out from the toolbox. Top, top. The hammer taps the dent on the boat. Pop, the dent disappears. Now, the bridge, dump truck, carrying a container of steel frame. The steel frame is firmly set in the riverbed. Excavator signal, mixer truck. Mixer backs up into place. The barrel spins. Concrete is ready. Concrete pours into the steel frame. Bridge panels and railings are added one by one. The new bridge is done.
Fantastic.
Crane truck lowers the boat back into the canal. The boat floats under the new bridge. Everyone jumps with joy. The farm is happy and bustling again. At the farm in Vehicle Village, there is a very large fish pond. Tractor and Excavator are watching the weather forecast together. The weather forecast says that a heavy rain is coming soon. The sky quickly darkened and the storm rolled in. The heavy rain caused the water to rise, and the fish swam closer to the shore. The rain stopped, the sun came out, and as the water receded, the fish were left stranded on the shore.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Huh? Hey, look over here!
Huh?
Let's go!
Excavator noticed the situation and quickly joined Tractor to rescue the stranded fish.
Oh my God!
Aha!
Excavator came up with the idea to build a glass fence to protect the edge of the pond. First, they need to rescue the fish. They will place the fish into a bucket of water.
Okay.
Then, Tractor makes a call to order a truckload of rocks to spread around the edge of the pond. The rocks have been delivered. An excavator will spread them around the edge of the pond.
Okay! Let's go! Let's go!
Finally, the glass panels are installed and everything is complete. Great job, everyone. A bustling city. Airplanes fly across the sky. Spider-Man is supervising. Excavator digs and dumps dirt.
Well done.
Fire truck
Okay.
looks at Spider-Man. He signals okay.
Okay.
Spider-Man calls over crane truck and dump truck. Crane truck hooks plane, lifts it, and places it in dump truck. The trucks leave the scene, waving goodbye. Spider-Man
Good job.
pats Excavator.
Let's go, Sam.
They exchange determined nods.
Ew.
Excavator moves in and lowers its bucket. 1 scoop, 2, 3, filling up dump truck. Next is the collapsed house. Every piece is cleared.
Good.
Excavator digs the foundation steady and precise. A square hole slowly takes shape.
Great.
Dump truck slowly backs into place, carrying a full load of rebar for the house foundation. Rebar is set in place to form a solid base. Spider-Man signals for mixer truck. Mixer truck arrives, loads cement and sand. The drum spins. All materials are poured into the mixing truck. Mixer truck backs up. Concrete pours out evenly. Everything's ready for the concrete pour. The new house takes shape. Bricks, walls, and roof are built. The brand new house appears. Each part of the house slowly appears. The door, the windows, and then the roof. Everything is coming together beautifully. Spider-Man, the vehicles cheer and dance. The city is calm and bustling once again. It was a hot summer afternoon at Hulk's farm. The scorching sun made the plants wither and dry. The heat was so intense that even someone as strong as Hulk felt exhausted.
Huh?
Hulk noticed the vegetables were wilted, so he quickly ran over to assess the situation. It turned out that the irrigation well had run dry, causing the vegetables to wither.
Whoa.
Upon discovering the water source, Hulk immediately called for help to find a solution.
Let's go. Okay.
The tank truck would pump water from the river and pour it into the well. The well now had water, but it only lasted for a short time before running dry again.
Huh?
The tank truck had to keep going back to pump more water multiple times until it was completely exhausted. The excavator came up with the idea of building a pump irrigation.
Let's go!
Everyone united and quickly got to work on their respective tasks. Hulk went to gather materials, while the excavator worked on directing water into the reservoir. The dump truck used magic to install the pump system.
Expecto Patronum!
Once the installation was complete, water was
Yes,
directed
sir.
into the reservoir. The system was activated, and the plants were quickly watered, turning green and healthy again. Hulk and everyone working at the construction site. Hulk tripped over a brick, fell, and
Oh, no.
accidentally threw a steel bar at the excavator's face, causing him to rush onto the road and cause an accident. The collision caused the nearby pillar to be hit and collapse onto the race car. Hulk saw it and quickly ran to the rescue. He managed to catch the pillar, but ended up throwing it at a passing tractor.
Huh?
He could only give an awkward smile, still feeling embarrassed. He quickly called Spider-Man to come and help fix the aftermath.
Okay.
Spider-Man brought a repair kit and woke up the helicopter to come along with him.
Let's go.
On arriving, Spider-Man immediately told the helicopter to lift a broken pillar back up.
Hey.
Let's go! Let's go!
Bye-bye.
Then he handed Hulk the repair kit, and together they fixed the damaged vehicle. After being repaired, the tractor angrily drove away. The race car didn't work. Finally, they worked together to repair the pillar.
Whoa.
Hulk is enthusiastic and pushed him to work out. He has an attractive physique. But maybe it works out too much, so Excavator feels quite annoyed. Suddenly, a fashionable cow walked over.
Sin City was in radio.
Hulk feels annoyed because he lost the attention. So he suggested a race.
A challenge!
Challenge accepted.
Here comes a new challenger!
Both of them got into the Hulk dashed off quickly while the fashionable cow stole leisure to the finish line. But because he was going too fast, Hulk ran into a cow shed. And the fashionable cow The three of them decided to rebuild the cow shed together. The fashionable cow had a blueprint that looked a bit. Never mind. In the end, it was Hulk and Excavator who did the work. They were driving the pillars into the ground. Then, Hulk nailed the beams into the pillars. Excavator set up the wall at the back of the house. They continued adding new pillars. Then, the wooden planks were installed to make the fence. The final steps were carried out, and a new cow shed was completed. Hulk was challenged to a race by a bull, but it seemed like he didn't dare anymore. Wow, such a peaceful farm. People are harvesting corn, and the pets are lying in the sun. Suddenly, the sky darkened, thunder and strong winds arose. It seems like a storm is passing through. That's dangerous. There's a tree about to fall into the barn where the pets are trying to run into. The poor animals are trapped among the fallen trees. Harvester immediately charged and knocked away a tree from the trapped animals. Harvester and the tractor brought the animals into the common house to shelter them from the storm. The storm has passed, leaving behind a mess of fallen trees. Tractor immediately called the rescue team to come and assist with the cleanup. Dump truck. Bulldozer. Crane truck. The rescue team has arrived on the scene. They will prop up the trees that have fallen. They will clear away the debris of the collapsed barn. And they will build a new barn for the animals. A new barn for the animals has been completed. How wonderful! At the peaceful farm, there is a small pond with little fish swimming inside. The Excavator and Spider-Man are sitting and watching the weather forecast. The weather forecast says there will be heavy rain today. The sky quickly darkened, and the rain began to fall. The heavy rain caused the pond water to rise, and the little fish began to leave the pond. The rain stopped, and as the water receded, the little fish were left stranded on the shore.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Huh?
Hey, look over here!
Huh?
The Excavator discovered the little fish and informed Spider-Man.
Oh no.
Oh my God!
Aha!
Spider-Man came up with the idea to fix the pond. First, they need to rescue the little fish. The Excavator scoops up water, and Spider-Man grabs a bucket. Put the little fish into the bucket.
Oh.
Spider-Man called to order some stones to reinforce the pond's edge. The stones for reinforcing the pond's edge have been delivered. They will arrange the stones around the pond's edge.
Let's go! Let's go!
Okay, okay. Wow!
Then, they install a glass frame around the pond. The pond renovation is complete. Great job, everyone. The bustling street scene in the early morning. Oh, the traffic light is changing. It's turned red, and with the red light, You must stop. What are you looking for? Are you planning to run the red light? That's very dangerous. Luckily, no vehicles crossed. Be careful. There are many cars passing through up ahead. Hey, watch out. Oh no. Two cars into other cars on the road. The police officer on patrol heard the noise and quickly rushed to the scene. Shocked by the sight before him, he immediately called the rescue team for help. They're here now.
Hey, let's do it.
Okay.
They will take the crashed vehicles to the garage and repair them. Each vehicle will be lifted onto the truck's bed to be transported to the garage. Oh, there's only enough space for 3 vehicles. One will be taken back by the crane truck. They are being rushed to the garage. We've arrived. You'll be repaired here. The vehicles will be reshaped, and any loose parts will be secured after the accident. Everyone is fixed now. Drive carefully, everyone. Hey, watch out for the red light, or there could be another accident. Luckily, the dump truck blocked the traction. Otherwise, an accident would have occurred. The light is green. Let's go. Everyone, remember to follow the traffic rules. Stop at the red light and only go when the light is green. It's a typical day in town today. Everyone is doing their job. Oh no, a bumpy road caused a rock to fall from the truck. The rock caused an explosive container to fly into the tunnel and collapse it. This is a cat.
Let's go.
Next are these 2 best friend trucks. Finished. Now, let's bring him to the garage. Next, we need to repair the collapsed tunnel. Now, let's load the rocks onto the truck.
Let's go.
The dump truck has been repaired. Now, it's time for the tunnel to be rebuilt.